What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with round two. Yes, I made it back, man. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. But I'm deciding to go ahead and do this video. Like I said, if I had the time, I was going to go ahead and get with that pen and pad and try to figure out something for the giveaway. So we'll get to that in just a second here. But what y'all see in front of y'all is another package from Sky High. Figured, you know, since I'm doing a giveaway, might as well go ahead and make a whole video out of it. So we'll get this open. It's nothing but a couple of fuse holders, but you know, like I said in one of my previous videos, man, I think where I had like all the zip ties and things like that or whatever, we don't think about this stuff when we're doing it, as far as like all these little knickknacks, as far as like fuses. Y'all know my theme this year is going to be a red, white, and blue type of deal. So in order for me to, you know what, as I think about this, I should have got a red and blue fuse holder. I just decided to go red on both of them, but since I'm doing red, white, and blue, I should have gotten a blue fuse holder as well. I might do that. I don't know. We'll figure that out, man. But yes, so I'm just doing some fuse holders. These will obviously be going, hopefully you can see that PRV wire back there. I don't know if I'm going to use that for the front to back or the welding cable. More than likely, I'll probably use that 30 welding cable to go front to back. So since I got these brand new fuse holders, and after I uploaded the previous video, the one right prior to this one here, I actually did some digging in the lab. So I decided to sweeten the pot or fatten the man up. I don't know if that's actually a thing, but let's get the fat man over here. All right, so I know it don't look too good. This is from, Jesus, I think 2018. I can't remember. Whenever I did, if you've been around for a while, when I did the white Malibu and I had the lime green and black theme, this is from that. I got some spray on this here from when I was spraying my box with the DUB on it, but the fuse holder in it is brand spanking new. I can promise you that. So I guess to maybe look at it from that angle on this here. Yeah. You can't really tell because, well, I guess from that angle they look the same, but trust me, that's a brand spanking new fuse. Maybe I can get it in here. So hopefully y'all can see that bolt down there. I can promise y'all it's the same as this one. It's brand spanking new. The only thing as far as the difference of it is it's just caught some overspraying, been sitting out here getting dusty. So I decided to go ahead and throw that into the giveaway. These as well. This is some Kicker vinyl stickers. I guess I could have flipped that up like I wanted to. Boom. So I'll include those as well, as long as with those DS18 stickers. The DS18 stickers, the Down for Sound lanyard. I guess that would actually match that. The PRV wristband is what I want to call it. As long as with this Street Beats deal here. And like I said the other day when I got this shirt in with my wire care package, it's down there. It's a 2XL. Like I said, I'm just throwing it into the giveaway so somebody can use it. Not sure if it'll fit you. Some of y'all might be a slim individual to where you can fit that. And if not, go ahead and give it to your old lady. Now, as I'm sitting here commenting, making this video, I guess I should have grabbed all this stuff before I started shooting this video, man. Okay, hold on, let me do this. So we'll lay that out. That's a badass shirt, man. You probably want that. This here is supposed to be 2 DS18 stickers. And I can't, for the life of me, know what in the hell I did with that damn sticker. Hold on. Let me go look and grab it because it's got to be around here somewhere. I'm going to move this chair out the way and knock my camera over almost. Just a second. Of course, it wasn't too far away. It's right there, man. So, let me move my chair back over here, man. This might be the most ghetto giveaway video ever, man, but it's some nice stuff in it. Y'all know I don't edit, so I'm going to go ahead and upload this like normal. So now, we got everything that I wanted to do in a giveaway, along with this as well. Going along with that theme, I said, hey, I was going to give y'all some white and black Sky High car audio heat shrink. That is still the case, but I decided to go ahead and throw in a whole heck of a lot more heat shrink. So you get the Street Beats, which is local here in Omaha. This right here, I believe, is GP car audio heat shrink. Sky High, Sky High, and Sky High. So, it's a ton of heat shrink in there. I don't know. Somebody that wins this maybe needs that much heat shrink. Maybe you'll say screw it and share it with your buddies, man. That's what I would hope would happen, man. So let me move this camera up a little bit. So boom. So we got a lot of stuff in the giveaway. And the main thing that I know that people probably care about is this right here. These are the BD X43 4-inch 3-way coaxial speaker from DS18. 45 watts RMS. It's up to you whether you want to put an amp on them or just run them from your deck. So now, when it comes to getting all of this stuff, what do you got to do to get it? Y'all know me. Usually what I do is some numbers. It just makes it easier that way. Matter of fact, while I'm talking, and since I had that long pause in the video, let's do this. I'll throw in this PRV keychain. So now, what do we got to do to get this? So I'm thinking, what is that? 2 weeks from Tuesday, I believe. May the 4th. So y'all know the deal. May the 4th be with you. If you watch the news, if you get up early in the morning, you have those news. You know how the early morning news, they just kind of joke around and do the stories or whatever. They'll probably be saying May the 4th be with you all day long on those newscasts. So what I decided to do is go ahead and run this till May 4th. So May the 4th be with you. We'll go from there. Right now, I'm at 2,458 subscribers. In order for this giveaway to go active, technically it'll be active once I hit the upload button. We'll go to May 4th. In order for this to go through, right now I'm at I got 2,458 subs. We need to go plus 42. So if we can get to 2,500 subs, and when it comes to this video has to be liked, has to have 500 views by May 4th, and in order for you to be in the giveaway, you have to comment on the video, I want this ish. You can say the actual word, or you could just put ISH. I want this ish, hashtag Outty 500. What do you? 5,000. Yeah, we go mids and highs around here, not 500. Hashtag Outty 5,000 Hertz and a number. So the number will be obviously 1 to 2,500. Hopefully we can get those subscribers up. So I guess I'll run that down again. So just to be clear on it, this will run to May 4th. So once I hit the upload button on this, it'll go from tonight till May 4th. Like I said, May the 4th be with you. Right now, I'm at 2,458 subscribers. We need to go plus 42 to get it up to 2,500. In order for this to go through, we need everybody to like the video and comment, I want this ish. Or, like I said, you can spell it the actual word. I don't do too much cussing around here because YouTube just finds a reason to shut somebody down. So like I said, comment, I want this ish. Hashtag Outty 5,000 Hertz. 5000. Outty 5,000 Hertz. And we need this to get 500 views 2 weeks. So, hey man, if you lay your groundwork down, you get a nice little amount of stuff, man. So all of this will come out to you. Like I said, you just got to put a number 1 to 2,500. I'll do the drawing on May 4th, maybe go live or something, Premiere or whatever the hell. We'll see how it works out, man. So y'all know the deal, man. This one might not have it as far as like questions, comments, concerns. Maybe it will because of the way everything needs to be set up. I will go ahead and make sure that I upload that into the description box. as far as the details and how to get this thing up and going, man. So may the fourth be with you, but y'all know my deal, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up. I would stick around, but if your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken. 2021, I'm out of here.